Good morning and a happy Sunday to you all. And once again, we bring to you news from the world of immigration and what relief you can still have while we're waiting something big to happen in the Congress. So today I'm going to talk to you about something that is officially called cancellation of removal. The common street name for this is the 10-year case or the hardship case. In the legal world, it's called cancellation of removal. And again, like as I've been stressing in the last two episodes, that while we are waiting for something to happen, that doesn't mean that we have to do nothing. We can do stuff that can give us either more time, it can buy us relief, it can maybe get us a work card while something bigger happens in the world of immigration. So for example, we have many people in this community who've been living here for a long time, 10, 15, 20 years, and some people maybe a little bit less than 10 years, 6 or 7 years. This applies to everybody. If you have been here that long, and you have family members as a result of being here that are US citizen or green card holders, the best kind of relatives you want to talk about are, of course, your husband, wife, parent, or child who is a US citizen or a green card holder. But in rare situations, you could even use your brother or sister who needs you, whose life depends on your presence over here. So one, you need a significant amount of time in this country. Two, you need a US relative that is usually considered an immediate relative. Three, you need no criminal background. And number four, you need to be in some kind of removal proceedings. The removal proceedings is a difficult concept, but if you would come to the offices, we can explain it to you. And number five, you need to show that because of you, this US citizen's life is better. And without you, they will suffer from extreme hardship. So if you can get these five components together, the amount of years you've been, the no criminal record, the US relative, the removal proceedings, and the hardship to your spouse, child, parent, or a close relative, you can apply for cancellation of removal, which ultimately leads to a green card. In these times where people are at a loss what to do next, this is one of the tools that is being employed most by people to get to the ultimate result. One of the key advantages of applying for cancellation of removal, if you qualify, that while you're waiting for your green card, while you're waiting for your court dates, you do qualify for a work card, which leads to Social Security, which leads to a driver's license. So while you're waiting, you have things that make your everyday life very possible and very easy in America. If you've been living here and you've been doing the right thing, for example, you've been paying your taxes and you've been taking care of your family, or perhaps you own a home, those things even further strengthen your case. So if you are somebody who is watching this show and you're like, hey, I've been here 10 years, or I almost have 10 years, or I'm close to 10 years, and I have no criminal record, I have a relative, I don't know what removal proceedings are, but I know I'm important to my relative, I would strongly urge you to go speak to an attorney and evaluate your legal possibilities and see if you qualify for this relief that truly is a relief in every sense of the word, and you weigh if this decision is right for you. So I wish you good luck as always, and I hope to see you next Sunday very soon. And until then, be well. Bye-bye. Thank you.